is he stuck like that?
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
What do you want, darling? You're all over my keyboard. Okay. What do you want, huh? Why are you... Do you want me to pet you? Is that what you want? Here, I'll pet you, okay? There you go. Oh my, why, bro?
What time is it?
Oh, it's 3 a.m.
3 a.m.?
I gotta go do the thing.
Richard.
Helen, I have to do this.
I got you! Jamie? That's what I thought. Go do it. So we knock.
What's he doing? Does he have f***ing turkey that he won't give up? Just give me the turkey.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off. Her eyeballs were plucked out. Her eyebrows were then waxed. Her tongue